Change, modify, loan settings.
Users can view, modify existing loan credit line settings from the Manage Loans screen. From the top menu, select View and Instrument in Scope. Select Search Proper Borrower. Once borrower name is selected, Loan Assistant will display all active credit lines for the borrower. Note, right below the accounts grid, you can choose an option to see inactive accounts as well.
Double-click a row with the loan needs to be modified, or right-click and select View Settings item. Once Settings screen is loaded, click on the Modify button on the right bottom, Make Changes, and click Save button.
View Loan Amortization Schedule. Users can view, print loan amortization schedule at any time of loan life. There are two ways to see loan schedule. 1. Select loan on a currently active screen and click the top menu, View Loan Schedule. 2. Select loan on a currently active screen, right-click, and select Loan Schedule menu.
Free trial available at theloanassistant.com.